So how did I start with my personal budgeting? Well, yes, it's a piece of paper. It was quite a few years ago when obviously I joined the workforce after finishing my university, and then back then I didn't really know much about personal finance. Nobody was teaching me about that. And that's a good thing, because then I was able to find a lot of books about personal finance, and then I was able to actually figure it out by myself. What am I doing with my personal finance? It took me a bit of a while. It took me to the point when I did some interesting things with my money and things like that. However, it doesn't have to be this way. Luckily enough, I really have to say that I can even thank to my parents that I didn't have any student loans and things like that. So at least I didn't really start with a large debt. Like, you hear quite a lot of stories of people who are really successful with finances. However, I still wasn't able to actually manage the finances well. So what you can do about it is, first of all, start to read, and I really need read about personal finance. Second of all, you grab your personal printable budget planner. You have the link here. And if you get that printable budget planner, I guarantee you that you will definitely start to organize your personal finances much better. You will literally start to understand, and all these things about incomes, expenses, savings and all that, suddenly it all starts to make sense. And like this, you can create definitely a better financial world for yourself, financial stability, and grow your net worth.